Top 5 smartwatches on Amazon today. Waterproof meoonley military smartwatch for men. Sport watch with answer/make call IP68 fitness tracker pedometer heart rate monitor SPO 2 for outdoor enthusiasts. Hi. Welcome my friends. Activity tracker with more sports modes. This fitness smartwatch has 100 plus sports modes, such as walking, running, cycling, sit-ups, yoga. The exercise watches can also accurately record your steps, calories, distance, heart rate and detect your activity status in real time. It will give you more detailed insights into whole day activity. And it can help you analyze, improve and enhance your exercise capacity. Message notification and Bluetooth call free your hands from your phone. meoonley smartwatch that allows you to answer or dial calls anywhere, anytime. After you connected to the watch by Bluetooth. The outdoor fitness smartwatch will remind you by vibration when your phone receives the messages or app notifications, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. Fitness smartwatch for outdoor enthusiasts. This meoonley sportwatch designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It pass outdoor sports standard verification. It can work in most of extreme conditions. And it support IP68 waterproof standard. You can wear this sport watch while washing hands, walking in the rain or swimming, even underwater sports. It can meet all your daily needs, even underwater exploration. To enjoy the fun of outdoor exploration. Real-time health monitor. This meoonley smartwatch can help you to understand the heart rate and sleep quality. It will monitors your sleep status, deep sleep, light sleep and wake-up time, and provides comprehensive sleep quality analysis. Moreover, the healthy smartwatch can also measure the oxygen content in the blood. It can help you understand your physical condition. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.